This is a brief tutorial to show you how to create a forum post in Blackboard. The first thing you want to do is navigate to your course. So I'm going to go over to a demo course here. It's got most of the same tools that any Blackboard course will have. What you want to do is head over to discussions. This is where you'll find forums, which is where you make a forum post. You want to scroll down to whatever post you're looking for, whatever forum you're looking for, and click on the blue link that's the name of the forum. So once you do that, sometimes if you're the first to post, you'll see it's empty like this. Sometimes there will be other people's posts in here. Regardless, what you want to do is create a thread. When you click on that, it's going to give you an option to create your own title and to type up some instructions in the body of the post. I always recommend that you compose your content in a word processing program like Microsoft Word and then copy it over into Blackboard. Because if the page refreshes or something, or Blackboard gets hung up, you might lose your work, and that can be really frustrating. So here we'll just create a sample forum post, and I've got my content over here. I'm going to just copy it and paste it. Now sometimes when you copy and paste, you'll see when it transfers from Word to Blackboard, some of the formatting gets a little funky. If you have something really strange, like if you try to copy over some bullet points, sometimes it'll look really, really bad. And you can just click on this eraser here. So if you weren't aware, this little rectangle thing is an eraser, and you can click on that and it will remove formatting that was in the copy paste that you did. And that's a great option for kind of starting from a blank slate with just the words. And then I like to close up some of the spaces and make it a little more visually appealing. And so I'm going to go and do that. And then I will make the titles of the sections of this post stand out a little bit more by selecting something other than paragraph. So you can do heading. When I do a subheading here, you'll see that makes it a little more bold. And then I will make the font a little bit bigger as well. So we'll do that for all of the headings. Okay, so once you've got your content in there and it's formatted how you want it to be formatted, you can just click submit. If you're not ready, you can also click save draft. That will save it so that you can see what it looks like, but it won't submit it to your instructor yet. So you can go ahead and click submit. And then you'll see it shows up here. So the forum that was empty before now has a post, it has a timestamp, and you can go back in and do things with it. So you can click to open it. When you do that, you'll see it just takes you to what it looks like when anyone looks at it, but you have the option to edit it. So you can click the edit button. It takes you back to the text box that you worked in originally. So I'm going to cancel that edit. And then to return to the forum, you just come down to the bottom right corner. This little OK button is kind of the back button for Blackboard. So you click on that, and then you're all set and you have successfully created a forum post.